Isusa ukukhuluma ividiyo esabalele ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana la kubonakala khona omunye wabantu noma obeyidlulela nje wasebuza ukuthi kungani laba abasebenzi basesitiyezi besebenza engadini. Base-ke baphendula ukuthi-ke imsebenzini noma-ke indlela abanikezwe yona umyalelo ukuthi belungise ingadi laphana-ke esitiyezi. Beke sethatha amathuluzi ewabuyisela eceleni wafuna ukubona-ke okuyena umphathi wabo. Kwaphinde-ke kwasabalala nokuthi engazi ukuthi umphathi lona akuyena-ke umhlali wala eSouth Africa noma kuyena-ke okuzalala eSouth Africa. Ngaphandle kokumusha isikhathi sikamntwana sekhaya awuyibukela le video sekuyona isusa ukukhuluma ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ebese kuyiwena ophawulayo. Ngizivula lakho mayelana nalolu daba.
How's it?
Hey.
Why leave a garden? Libereka kamar.
Hey, Smaren. Witi mudimu pe.
Where is the owner?
Come here.
I'm coming. We are going to fight and stop everything. Stop everything, my brother. We will speak to the employer. I've got all the rights. You will know it better. You've got all the rights. You've got all the rights. I'm telling you. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. I'm telling you that's nonsense. These workers, you are abusing these workers. That's an abuse of workers. I'm saying that's an abuse of workers. You can't do this. This brother is a chef. He must work in the chef. He's not a gardener. Why do you do this with black people? That's nonsense. I'm telling you that's nonsense. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't. That's nonsense. That's what you're doing with the people. I'm telling you, that's nonsense. These are not gardeners. I'm saying these are not gardeners. These are not gardeners.
Tina, we are just helping you guys. This is wrong. It's gonna happen.
These people are not gardeners. You can't tell chef gardener.
If I'm wrong, you have a procedure to follow.
Yeah, then that's fine.
You have a procedure to follow.
Hey, my brother,
Is that what you do everywhere you